Hi friends, this is Press again guys, and of course guys, nandito na naman si Press to share sa inyo lang guys yung simple, nabili kong simple upgrade for my unit. Of course, yun, it's my unit, it's a Kimber. Yan guys, it's a 1911 very classic. So upgrade lang natin siya ng konti, yung yung grips niya. So yun guys, may nabili pala ako na kakarating lang na simple upgrade. Ito guys, ito custom G10 grip. Yan. Ito guys, simple upgrade lang for 1911. So meron din siyang kasamang screw. Yan. Para to have a simple color for our unit. And of course, gusto ko rin yung ganito, gusto ko rin yung liking nito eh. Of course it's G10 pero ano siya eh, gusto ko yung wood. So nag-order na tayo. So bago dumating yun, ito muna tayo, G10 grip. Yan guys. So ano pang hinihintay natin guys, install na natin. Yun guys, tapos na natin upgrade yung natin, simple upgrade for our unit. So guys, ang ganda niya, ang ganda, nagkaroon siya ng different attitude, different image. Yan, napakaganda niya for me. So yan. Yan guys, ang ganda na rin kasi may kasama siya na screw for this. Yan guys. Yun lang guys, na-share ko lang yung simple upgrade ko for my unit. So yun lang. This is again guys, this is Press checking Kimber simple upgrade.